Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I'm making a video after a really long time and starting my new session with this very easy macrame plant hanger. So watch the video till the end and do subscribe to my channel because there will be a lot more new things coming up. So let's get started. I'm taking this wooden stick which is from Itsy Bitsy. Then these cords are again from Itsy Bitsy. I'll link both of them in the description below. These are 5mm cords and cut them into 120 inches and we will be needing 12 of them. Now attach them one by one like so. After attaching all 12 of them, secure the stick with the help of a sellotape or you can hang it somewhere. Then take these first 4 cords and make a square knot. I will go little slow while making the first square knot. Then make square knot with all the cords and complete the first row. From the second row onwards, we are gonna decrease one knot each time. So leave 2 cords from the front and start making square knots. At the end, there will be 2 cords free automatically. Now for the third row, leave 4 cords and start with the square knots. Keep doing it unless you reach a single square knot at the end, and which will be your 5th row. Then after the 5th row, I'm going to tie a small piece of cord on both sides of the stick and hang the work somewhere. It will be a lot more easier that way. Then go for 5 more rows and this time increase a square knot each time. And it's gonna look something like this. Now it's time to make the basket. Take these 4 cords from the sides and make a square knot here. Again, take 4 more cords, 2 from each side, and make 2 square knots. And on the third row, take 2 more cords from each side and make 3 square knots here. And at last, combine all the cords and take another small cord. Make a loop like this with one end, and with the other end wrap around the cords for several times. And at last, this end will go through the loop like this, and then tighten with the help of both the ends. And that's it. Now trim all the extra cords and place a beautiful plant in it, and that's it. This is a very simple macrame plant hanger. It hardly takes half an hour to make it, but looks truly amazing. So I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.